That's because I'm getting emotional right now. Well, that's my birthday gift. Whoa. Oh, how could you possibly end up there, dude? All of you guys complain about not having adventure bikes and कि मैं लद्दाख कैसे करूँ? How do I go to Ladakh and ride in those tough conditions? Look at these guys. The lack of resources is really not an issue. Like it's far from an issue. You should take this motivation from them. It's an inspiration, man. कहाँ मिलेगा ऐसा inspiration? सीखो इनसे. सीखे. Cayenne. Porsche. Damn. Oh, what happened to the sea, man? Look at those chunky tires, man. It's a 2 crore car. The number is also fancy. It's Cayenne now. Super sexy, man. Super sexy. Oof, F-Pace. What's happening today, man? Such chunky, beefy looking cars for the day. What a day. What a lovely day. What Honda is that? Oof, CLA 200. What is happening, dude?
Baby, stop.
Why am I being seduced by like this? Why are my vulnerabilities being exploited? I need to focus on the road, guys. This is not fair. This is where I mess my mirror. Oof, Civic. Civic is strangely very rare, huh? I guess it's a little costlier than it should be, but it looks amazing. Like water, you can't contain it, it just leaks away. Yeah. Dude, I can't even blame him. Like, I wasn't in his, I don't know what angle of view. Shit, man, I hope that's just water, because I'm wearing a white shirt beneath this jacket. I'll have to check if... Well, that's my birthday gift. Thank you, Auto Drivers of India. Can I squeeze? Nope. The heck, man. I just hope my shirt isn't stained inside. Is he collecting all the viruses in that mask? Ooh, speaking of virus, how did we forget pollution? Well, thank you ABS, मेरी ज़िंदगी आसान करने के लिए.
मज़ा आया.
Circumstances call for a change in plan. I'll be heading to office from this route now. Yep, thank you for that. Sorry about that. Are you looking at this? Are you looking at this new baby? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, I missed you so much. The only thing that I'm bothered about is the symmetry of this. The queue is quite huge today. I can't even imagine how it must feel like to travel in public transport, dude. I remember last year, not last year, just when I came to Mumbai, like the amount of rejection I had to deal with. Oh my god. It like drowned my self-esteem into anything. Auto drivers are brutal, man. They're absolutely brutal. They don't give a shit about who you are, where you are headed towards. They just come close to you to reject you, nothing else. They make you feel worthless. They make your aims and goals and destinations worthless. You see my voice shaking a bit? That's not because of the potholes. That's because I'm getting emotional right now. You don't understand the depth of the hurt that I have to deal with. Wow, man, the amount of bullshit that I can come up with. This happens because of the coffee, man. I get unnecessarily over enthusiastic about anything. Have some coffee, guys. I wish I had a sponsor at this moment. Damn it, man, that could have been such a beautiful segue. I'll save it for later. She looked like a cheetah, dude. Like, I hardly could make out anything from that. No wonder, man. Like, I won't be surprised if a leopard from RA Forest just comes up on a scooty and like, yeah, I've upgraded. This is more efficient and less effort taking.
भाई पैसा हो तो क्या कुछ नहीं हो सकता है।
नहीं, आप इधर ही हर बार जाते हैं ना।
हाँ।
मुझे जानना था आप कहते किधर रहते हो।
यहाँ पे ही रहता हूँ।
नहीं, एक्चुअली हम लोग ने पीछे से पहचाना। बड़ी बात।
अच्छा।
वन सीट आपकी।
हाँ?
वन सीट।
हाँ, सिंगल सीट, वही डिस्टिंक्ट।
बंदे को नहीं बैठाए थे आप।
अरे पहले मिरर नहीं रहता तो वो और पहचान लेता कोई।
मिरर आपने लगाने में टाइम लगाया।
हसदे चेहरिਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ।
ये ट्रिपल सीट कहाँ जा रहे हो? बट अब मेरे को ये डालना पड़ेगा इस पे। चलो, इंस्टाग्राम पे मैसेज का नाम अवतार, रॉबिन, कमल। चलो, नाइस मीटिंग यू। ब्लर कर दूंगा, फेस ब्लर कर दूंगा, टेंशन मत लो। ठीक है, चलो। अरे यहाँ पे कहीं बाइक वॉश है, पता है क्या? बाइक वॉश है यहाँ पे आसपास, कहीं पता है क्या? अरे वो बंद हो गया, पता नहीं कहाँ हो गया वो।
क्या तो आपको उधर दुर्गानगर जाना पड़ेगा, सीधा बाहर है।
ठीक है, चलो, थैंक्स। Those were pretty chill guys. They were just having some, I don't know what they were doing here, but they spotted me from somewhere and then they followed me. And if you guys are watching this, I hope we must have had some conversation on the Instagram, but if you haven't, and if you are watching this, then thanks for meeting, thanks for stopping by, and thanks for saying hi as well. You guys have a great choice. Self-praise. But anyway, on a side note, please maybe try wearing a helmet. It's good for your health. And avoid going tripsy. I know it's fun. It's as fun as carpooling, but it's not that safe. So if possible, or rather I'd insist, don't go triple seat. But besides that, you guys were pretty fun. So yeah.
Later that same evening.
नाही तिथे मयूरनगरला भेटलेलो ना आपण इथे टर्निंगला
शाईनवर होतो की ॲक्टिवावर होता?
शाईनवर होतो.
होय का?
दोघं जण होते मित्र.
हां 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 हां
पण पाटील तुम्हाला मेसेज पण टाकले ना.
हां राईट. मला वाटलं ॲक्टिवा होती ती. बरोबर. अरे माझं ते फुटेज मिस झालं माहिती आहे का?
मिस झाला.
हां, आता बरं झालं, आता चालू केलं रेकॉर्डिंग मी.
मी पण ब्लॉगच शूट करतो.
होय काय?
टाइमला चालले.
हां
शूट करतो.
सही आहे.
3-4 व्हिडिओ टाकले.
होय काय?
बॉडी एक
हां
फोटो
हां काढ ना.
टाक फोटो स्टोरी टाकतो
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
इथून 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 पुढे काढ फोटो काढ चला भेटू
चला थँक्यू. नाव काय तुझं म्हटलंस?
अर्पण पाटील
अर्पण पाटील ना. चालेल
स्टोरी करून टॅग टाकतो
चालेल चालेल चालेल
चला
चल थँक्स. अरे इकडे बाईक वॉश कुठे माहिती आहे का तुला? Well, another day, another subscriber. In my quest of getting my bike washed, I can't find a place, and all I'm finding is subscribers. I mean, the problem. I shouldn't be doing this. I'm sorry for behaving like that. I don't mean to do it. I absolutely love the fact that people have started recognizing me, and why wouldn't I love it? I mean, not for the fame. I'm not talking about the fame, not at all, don't get me wrong, and this is not even sarcasm. I'm appreciating the fact that people are approaching me and say that they appreciate what I do. That is what I love the most. I don't know if that again counts as fame, but I don't know, man. I just love the fact that people like what I do. That's it. He's directing me where to go. The irony just broke the law. Bhai, why surprising me like that? इतना भी एडवेंचर नहीं करना है भाई. बहुत ही ज़्यादा एडवेंचर, मज़े आ गया एडवेंचर, वेरी मच एडवेंचर. आई मीन या कंटेंट के पीछे आई डोंट वांट टू लूज माय लिम्ब.
Bonus.
Yeah, that's the Indian rider. Whew, that was a long day, and I did some nice shopping. Would you guys want me to do the vegetable shopping haul? I've got some nice bhindi, cabbage, a lot of things. घरेलू मोटो ब्लॉगर.
ये सब संस्कारों का खेल है.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara